a garden for every season, no matter the weather outside. The joys of year-round greenhouse growing are endless. Imagine fresh, homegrown tomatoes in December bursting with flavor. Picture vibrant flowers blooming even when snow blankets the ground outside. A greenhouse makes this dream a reality, offering a haven for plants year-round, regardless of the season. No more waiting for the right time to garden. You can plant and harvest whenever you want. Greenhouses extend the growing season, letting you enjoy homegrown goodness in every season from spring to winter. With a greenhouse, you control the environment, ensuring optimal conditions for your plants. You can adjust temperature and humidity to suit your plant's needs, creating a perfect microclimate. This means fewer pests and diseases that thrive in unpredictable outdoor conditions, leading to healthier plants. Imagine harvesting fresh herbs for your favorite dishes, even in the depths of winter, adding a burst of flavor. A greenhouse brings this joy, adding flavor and freshness to your meals all year long, making every dish special.
Building your own backyard oasis. A simple greenhouse design that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Building a basic greenhouse is easier than you might think. Start by choosing a sunny location with good drainage. This ensures your plants get the necessary sunlight and water doesn't pool around the structure. You'll need basic materials like pressure-treated lumber for the frame, clear polycarbonate sheets for the roof and walls, and a sturdy door. These materials are durable and will help your greenhouse withstand various weather conditions. Construct the frame first, ensuring it's level and sturdy. This is crucial for the stability of the entire structure. Next, attach the polycarbonate sheets using screws and weatherproof sealant. This will keep the interior of your greenhouse protected from the elements. Ventilation is key, so include windows or vents that can be opened and closed as needed. Proper airflow helps maintain a healthy environment for your plants. A simple fan can also help regulate temperature, ensuring your plants don't overheat during hot days. Your greenhouse is now ready to become a haven for your plants. Enjoy watching them thrive in their new controlled environment.
Tending your glasshouse kingdom essential greenhouse maintenance. Maintaining your greenhouse ensures its longevity and the health of your plants. Regularly check the structure for any damage or leaks, especially after storms. Keep the polycarbonate sheets clean to allow maximum sunlight penetration. Watering needs vary depending on the season and the plants you're growing. Invest in a watering system or water by hand, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Ventilation is crucial to prevent overheating, especially during warmer months. Open vents or use fans to circulate air and regulate temperature.
Section 4. A harvest for all seasons. Choosing the right plants for your greenhouse. One of the most exciting aspects of greenhouse gardening is the ability to grow a diverse range of plants year-round. This means you can enjoy fresh produce and beautiful flowers no matter the season. In spring, start warm season vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. These plants thrive in the warmer temperatures and longer daylight hours of spring. Plant colorful flowers like geraniums and petunias to brighten your greenhouse. Their vibrant colors can lift your spirits and make your greenhouse a more enjoyable place to be. As summer arrives, enjoy the bounty of your harvest. This is the time to reap the rewards of your hard work. Consider planting heat-loving crops like melons, basil, and okra. These plants flourish in the high temperatures of summer and can provide a delicious addition to your meals. In autumn, shift to cool season vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and kale. These greens are perfect for the cooler temperatures and can be harvested well into the fall. Extend the growing season for herbs like thyme and rosemary, enjoying their flavor even as the weather cools. These herbs can add a fresh taste to your dishes all year round. Even in winter, your greenhouse can be productive. With the right plants, you can keep growing and harvesting despite the cold. Focus on cold-hardy greens like spinach and kale. These plants can withstand lower temperatures and continue to provide fresh produce. Cultivate winter-blooming flowers like cyclamen and pansies to add a splash of color during the colder months. These flowers can brighten up even the darkest winter days.
Section 5. Happy growing resources and inspiration for greenhouse gardeners. Embarking on your greenhouse gardening journey is an exciting step. Remember, there's always more to learn and discover. Many online resources offer tips and advice specifically for greenhouse gardeners. Connect with local gardening clubs or communities to share experiences and learn from fellow enthusiasts. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different plants, experiment with growing techniques, and most importantly, enjoy the process. With a bit of planning and care, your greenhouse will become a source of fresh, homegrown goodness year-round, bringing joy to your plate and beauty to your world.